Sure is nice to get back out here doing some metal detecting on the beaches after the storms have passed. I've been doing it now for a little while and I found some pretty cool stuff. Check it out. What are you doing? All right, solid 12 surface, basically. Thinking it's a pull tab. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking pull tab. Thought it was surface. Oh, looks like we got glasses. Glasses again. Glasses, glasses. Glasses alert. Glasses alert. Oh. Oh, too bad. This guy's probably really sad. Looks like his prescription glasses with the shade things over them. I'll turn him into the toll booth. Maybe that's what I'll do. Let's do that. It's like somebody's prescription glasses with the sun thing over them. I'm going to turn him into the booth. Somebody was wondering what I found. As so often happens when I'm out here. People watch me dig and then it probably drives them nuts that they don't know what I found. Hello.
Hi.
I'm a metal detectorist, and I found these.
Today must be glasses day.
They're prescription glasses with the sun things on them.
Okay.
I'm going to hand them to you.
Thank you. I hand them to Beach Safety.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Ta-da! All right, I got another one of these weird ones. It was hitting 16, 17. Oh, maybe just a rock. It might be just a rock. Oh. Oh yeah, something right there. Something right there. What in the heck is it? What is that? What in the heck? Yeah, almost looks like it went to a vehicle. You are not going to believe this. And that little hole over there, I just brought it up here. I knew it was a nickel because it came up 13. So I saw it in the ground. I said, oh, it's a nickel. It's a buffalo head. Are you kidding me? It's a buffalo head nickel. Are you kidding me? That's awesome. That is awesome. I'll have to show you the date later, but that is awesome. Very cool. Excellent. All right. That is very cool. Woohoo! Just found this loop earring in that little hole right there. It's coming up around 10, I think. Let's find out. Yep, 910. 910. Well guys, it looks like I'm going to be returning another iPhone to somebody. This will be like 4 or 5 that I've returned. I found it just now. The metal detector was going nuts and it turns on and it's a nice fancy one. It's nice, really nice. I think it's like a 13 or something. Maybe even a 14. It's really nice. So anyways, when I tried to turn it on, it turned on and it said, lost phone, please call. And you just press the button and it called the owner. And the owner is somewhere over on shore over there. He said he was looking at it from a condo. So I'm going to try to meet him over at the ramp over there and return him his phone. Would that be cool? I love doing that.
I had my 3 young daughters with me, and we were playing at the edge of the surf, and then a big wave came and took my 2-year-old down. So I went running after her and grabbed her, picked her up, and we were here digging holes, and then I went to look for my phone to take a photo, and it was gone.
Gone.
And I knew it must have fallen out when
Yeah.
I was playing.
It was only a
Dad
couple
Hero
hours ago,
for a
right?
second. Yeah, only a couple hours ago.
And you were scouring
I was
from
up
your
in the condo
balcony.
looking down with binoculars trying to look for a rectangle in the sand so I could come find where to dig. No rectangle.
Right.
And
So it's an iPhone 13?
iPhone 13.
Nice. Okay.
Thank you
Well,
very much, Dave.
congratulations.
Appreciate it. My hero.
So what are the odds that this guy loses a phone over there where those people are, and I swing this 8-inch coil over it within a couple of hours? And he was looking for it up in that condo with binoculars, looking down for any kind of little rectangle blob on the sand. That is fantastic. I love it. You came through again.
I'm gonna take your picture.
Got a nice solid 23, 24, 25 right on the surface. Penny or a dime, I'm thinking. Got a nice strong signal. There it is. It's a dime, all right. It's a dime. Nope, it's a penny. The older pennies, not the shield pennies, but the older pennies, a little older. They come up a little higher number. Check out this pocket knife I just found in that hole right there. That's a cool one. Wonder if I can clean that up. It's pretty cool. It's coming up penny signal 21, 20, 21. So this was hitting 7, 8, 9. It has a ring look to it, but I don't think it's a ring. It's something weird. I'm getting a 12, 13 in this hole here. Got it. What's that? Got something right here. I believe it's a ring. And I believe it is a huge ring. Holy crap. Look at the size of that thing. What in the heck? Look at it. I could fit 2 fingers in there. Wow. That is big. It's like a big toe ring. Even my thumb is too small for it. Wow. Pretty good. Nice. Get a 15 in this hole. 15, 16, 17. Got it. Got it. It's like a penny. Oh, wait a minute. That's not a penny. That's a ring, an old one. Look at that. What is that, onyx? Black onyx? Oh, that's old, I think. I think it's old. That's pretty cool. Let's rinse that one off. Huh. Hopefully it cleans up because that looks old and it's got some weight to it. That looks kind of cool. I hope it cleans up good. Nice. Excellent. Alright, I got something here. I thought I saw it, but the waves keep coming in and making it difficult, but I thought I saw something shiny. It's only a 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm afraid to lift up the coil because I don't want it to float away or get taken away. All right. Maybe this will afford me the opportunity to get in there. Look out. I think I might have it. Let's see. Yep. I knew it was something shiny. Looks like a ring. Hold on. Let's see. Looks like a toe ring or something. Oh, it's got black stones. Look at that. Nice. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Nice. Well, right out of this hole here, getting a, I think it was a, what the heck was it? Let me find out. Yeah, so anywhere from 19 to 24. And I think it's like a Star Wars toy or something. I didn't really take a good look at it. This looks like some sort of starfighter or something. Yeah. Yeah, that's what it looks like to me. That looks like some sort of starfighter. Cool. Got some weight to it. It's not... So I'm getting a nice 25, 26, solid, nice. And I think I see a circle. I think I see a circle. Got it. Thought I saw a circle anyways. Let's see what we got, shall we? That's not a circle. Oh, yeah, look it. I see a circle. Yeah, I see a circle. Nice. Oh, got writing. Got writing. Looks like 925 to me. Got some other writing too. I can't read it. I can see a 2 and a 5. It's got some other writing before it. Nice. Got some good high numbers. Relatively on the surface. 30, 25 to 30. There it is. Hey, it's a car. I love me a car. I do love me a car. All right. It's like a Corvette or something. Cool. Look at that. Yeah. I used to love playing cars as a kid. It's a Hot Wheels. You can see that. Let me see if I can see what else this says. I think it's a Porsche. Yep, a Porsche Spider. Just found this thing. It could be, I'm assuming, some sort of wrist jewelry. A wave. This piece is broken off a little bit. Maybe there's a little stone in there too, maybe at one time. Just pulled this out of that little hole right there. It's shiny. It was coming up 10. Looks like gold. Let's wash it off, shall we? Yeah, looks like it could be an earring. Could be an earring. Or a pendant. Well, hopefully there's a stamp on there someplace. Nice though, good find. Now imagine, just imagine, this tiny thing out here, and I just happen to swing this 8-inch coil over it and find it. It never ceases to amaze me. It's all luck, really. Just luck. Luck of the swing. Wow, the luck of the swing, that's so true. You can use all your skills and knowledge after you find it, but first you got to be lucky enough to find it. My dad used to have a saying. He used to say, if I had my druthers, I'd rather be lucky than good. That's how I feel. That'll do it for this one, guys. Till next time, see ya.